So the download file is down there. You click it and there you go, there is your intro. So let's see how to make one. Underneath the yellow light, thoughts racing, trying to hit a lick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you saw the two previous intros, how amazing they were. It can catch attention in your videos. Before we start, I would really appreciate if you subscribe, hit the bell button and like all the videos of mine. And let's get started. Firstly, you need to go to www.panzoid.com. The link's in the description, so no need to worry. So once you do that, you press enter and it will redirect you to the website. So in the website, there are three options up there: clip maker, backgrounder, and video editor. We want to make a clip maker, so we're going to click there. So on your left side, you see many templates. You're going to just choose one of your choice. And if you don't like any, there's more creations beneath there, which I'll show you in a while. So here I've chosen a template and it looks pretty ordinary. So I'll click this one to give you a perfect example. So if this is your template, you're gonna view it by pressing the I button and then pressing play to see how it looks. So now it says your name, so meaning you need to edit it. So you go to objects to edit the name, you scroll down to where text is written. So you see there are two texts, your. So that's an overlap, so you need to change it to any of your choice. So I wrote ASMZ and the second your, ASMZ. Now you scroll down to where name is written, meaning the other text group. You scroll down to text, here name. That's overlap too. That's where you write tech. That's for me. You can write any name of your choice. Okay, then you can press the play button. As you can see, the name is ASMZ Tech. Now the editing is done and your name is there. You need to render it. So for rendering it, you press this download button, start video render. So this will probably take about like 2 to 3 minutes and there'll be a button to download. So there you go, and download your video. It will take you to this site where the download button, the download file is below. So you click it and there you go, your intro will open in VLC. There you go, your intro is there. You can use it for any of your videos. So now I'm gonna show you where to get more templates. So you scroll down and go to more creations. So in this page you have options of latest, top, following. So you can just choose a title, for example PUBG intro, and then there are many templates you can choose from and edit it the same way as I taught you earlier. So let me just search any other template. Let's say lightning, for example. There you go. might not be relative, but you can find many of your choice, and it's a really good site, and I use the same for my videos too. So hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe, like and comment down below on what you want to see next in my videos. Thanks for watching.